I made some, but I have to go get it real quick. So let's go in my room quietly. My door is locked. My sister's sleeping. Oh, yes, it's be happy, I guess. Okay, we got it. Gee, look how much bubbles that is. That was a lot. And it's sticky on your hands, like it feels weird. Your hands get dry. So I did put lotion in it. It was such a bad idea. It's gonna be in it. Oh. Wait. Whoa. You get the back. Do that. Watch. Chase me, wish you never did. I put a scent in it. It was perfume. Cinderella, I think. Got this in a white one. I got it from Bath and Body Works. You have to do this before you make your bubble. It's okay. That was a practice, and I need to get. Mommy, I put ice in my milk.
I saw that. Funny.
Do that. Okay. I don't want to go shoot Dad's gun.
Okay, well, we don't have the money for squishy.
We're not going to buy anything. We're just seeing.
And they're like impossible to actually find.
Oh. Tomorrow I can't make any videos because I'm going on an Easter hunt.
And anything I want to do always gets overlooked, so I guess I'll just do laundry all day.
No. Mom, I'm making a video. It broke. Okay, this is gonna work out. I did it. It was like a little bubble. Air bubbles. I hate air bubbles. Why is he looking at me? You figure it out right now. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm trying to make this into a squishy. But I have to make it good. Hi. Where'd it go? Okay. We got this and this. So we can put it in. I have to cut the extras off. But it turned out as a good one. And it even has the charms. Mom, look. I just found a bag. It's a good sushi. I just need to cut the extras off.
It's all good. She wants food.
Dad, you want food?
Yeah, bro. I'm coming on the town.
You guys have to make this. That's on 5 Below. It was just big jar. I can't. I put too much charms. It smells
Ba ba da ba ba ba. Morning, you know.
Your hair!
Why you all bummed and stuff? You're not. Talking right now.
Does this look like a honey packet?
Daddy needs some coffee. Ain't got no green tea.
If you guys went to this part before in Salt Lake City, hit me up.
No, you're not.
Babe, I just really wanted to do this today, but just let you know it's way too late.
I would squish it on today, I guess. But Dad's gonna go shoot his stupid gun, I guess. So, are we shooting Dad's gun today?
Probably not.
Thank you. I don't even want to.
What does Nora want to do?
Squish it. And I heard Learning Express has a lot of squishies.
Who does?
No one.
Lainey Wilson's?
No! She doesn't even live by us. She lives in Texas.